Happy Monday, my cash cow family. From Carmel by the Sea, California. Yeah. Kids, this video right here, I'm going to show you how to get in touch with Google Ad support, their live chat. It took me a long time to find this. But as you can see right here, I'm talking to lovely Victoria right now from Google Ads, because the reason I'm reaching out to her is because this ad right here, which was killing it for me, I think I've gotten like 60 sales from this ad alone, and for some reason it stopped. It's not even getting any impressions. It's not getting shit. So I thought this would help a lot of you, because it's very hard to get a hold of Google, an actual physical person. So anyway, guys, well, you can see, actually, I lied. 94 conversions this ad has generated, with a cost of about $704. That's the lifetime of the ad, guys. And I started the ad on March 17th of this year. So anyway, guys, I guess I need to show you how to do that. I apologize. Let me go. Hopefully this works. Okay, guys, so if come up here, click on the help button. Actually, I'm going to pause this because I can't show you guys until she helps me. So I will I'll start this soon, or show you soon. And I hope you've all been well out there making that moolah. Are you guys off today? I know I'm not. I'm never off, but I have to start catting on a 4-day job for some clients today. 4 days in a row, that is. That's all right. It'll be about $2,000, so I can deal with that. Come on, Victoria, let's do this. Did you miss me? Okay, guys, Victoria has left the building. But basically what she told me was, I'll take this chat offline and consult one of our senior specialists regarding this matter. We'll get back to you within the next 24 hours regarding this issue. Now, I did this 2 days ago, guys, and this was my response to her. I appreciate that, but I reached out a couple days ago and no one ever responded or sent me an email. She then responded, I'll personally take care of this case for you. I then said, thanks, Victoria. So, let me show you how we did it. Okay. Or how we got to Victoria. The Google Ads support team. So guys, click up here, click help. Click get help. One moment. Obviously it has my email and all that stuff, guys, but I didn't even click on any of this stuff. I just simply, I say simply, this is how hard this is. All right, let me get out of here. Let me get out of that one. Let me go here. Let's just kind of refresh this and start over. That normally helps. Okay. Help. Get help. And I came down. Okay. This is right, guys. Okay. Let me do this one more time. Click on help. Click get help. Then it's going to pop up over here. And then scroll down to the bottom. Click contact us. You can see my case ID right there. Guys, you have to write something in there. And it has to be a certain amount of characters. I think it's like 4. So write whatever. It doesn't matter. This is just so you can get in contact with them. Guys, I might not be able to do this because I have a case pending, but let's just see. I clicked on no campaign traffic and I'm going to go next step. Yeah, guys, it's not letting me do it because I already have a case outstanding there. But do exactly what I said and you should be good to go. 100%. Again, guys, it's just messing around with shit. But you shouldn't have this issue, guys. So I hope that helps some of you. If you're running ads or you can't get a hold of Google Ads support, that's how I did it, and I did it a couple days ago as well. So that's how you'll do it, guys. Okay, and I hope you guys all have a wonderful Monday and holiday if it's a holiday for you, and I will see you kids on the next video. Peace. Love you all. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Really helps me. Really helps the channel.